Updating your amenities might be the missing piece to improving satisfaction and driving great guest reviews. This episode will guide you through the practical steps for upgrading and maintaining the right amenities to keep your guests happy and coming back. Hey there, amazing viewers. If you enjoy our episodes, don't just hover around. Dive deeper. Hit that subscribe button like it's the key to a treasure chest of hotel knowledge, and ring that bell like you're summoning the fun directly to your screen. Subscribe, ring, and let's keep your adventure rolling. Running a successful hotel means knowing that your guests expect more than just a comfortable bed. They come for the experience. A key part of that experience is the amenities you offer. But here's the thing. Amenities can either elevate your guest stay or leave them questioning your commitment to their comfort. As a hotel owner, it's crucial to ensure that your amenities are both up-to-date and functional. After all, who hasn't heard the horror story of a guest discovering a state-of-the-art gym with equipment from the 1980s? Or worse, a pool that is closed due to maintenance. Again. Today, I'll share how to stay on top of this aspect of your hotel, what amenities matter most, and how to avoid common pitfalls that can frustrate your guests. Did you hear the great news? The Check-in to Success, Building and Running Your Hotel Business course has been revitalized and relaunched. Dive into hotel success with our course, Check-in to Success, Building and Running Your Hotel Business. Perfect for new and seasoned hoteliers. This 12-module journey covers everything from management to guest experience. With 85 lessons across videos, MP3s, and PDFs, plus quizzes to test your knowledge, you'll gain practical skills and insights to elevate your hotel business. Discover modules on market research, financial management, team building, branding, and more. Start now and turn your hotel dream into a reality. Click the link to see how you will benefit. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity to elevate your hotel business. First off, let's talk about the basics. These are non-negotiable amenities. If you get these wrong, nothing else you offer matters. So what's on the list? Wi-Fi. Slow or spotty Wi-Fi is a deal breaker. It's no longer a luxury. Guests expect reliable, high-speed internet whether they're traveling for business or leisure. If your Wi-Fi feels like dial-up, it's time for an upgrade. Comfortable beds. Think about it. How often do people book a hotel because they heard the beds were heavenly? A good night's sleep is everything. Invest in high-quality mattresses, pillows, and bedding. Don't skimp here. Your guests will notice. Hot showers. Ever had a guest call the front desk because the hot water won't heat up? Yeah, it's not a good look. Reliable hot water is one of those behind-the-scenes necessities that makes a huge impact. Keep your plumbing in top shape and regularly check water heaters. Cleanliness. I shouldn't have to mention this, but you'd be surprised. Clean rooms, clean common areas, and a spotless bathroom. It's all part of a solid first impression. Trust me, guests won't care about your rooftop bar if the room isn't pristine. Think you're on top of these essentials? Good. Now let's move on to the extras. Guest expectations have shifted dramatically in recent years. We live in a tech-savvy world where convenience and personalization are everything. Here are some of the amenities that are quickly becoming must-haves. Smart TVs. Long gone are the days when TV with basic cable was enough. Now guests expect to log into their Netflix or Disney accounts. If your TVs don't offer smart features, you might be giving your competition the edge. USB ports and outlets. Ever notice how guests are always searching for a place to charge their devices? It's almost as if there are never enough outlets. Adding bedside USB ports and extra power outlets is an easy way to make your guests' stay more comfortable. Complimentary breakfasts. Guests love free stuff, and a complimentary breakfast is always a winner. It doesn't have to be fancy. Even a simple spread of fresh fruit, pastries, and coffee can make all the difference. Bonus points if you can offer local or organic options. Fitness facilities. Now, we all know that not all guests use them, but the ones that do really appreciate it. If you have a fitness room, make sure the equipment is well maintained and modern. Treadmills with frayed belts and dusty dumbbells aren't going to do your hotel any favors. Sustainability features. Guests, especially younger ones, are becoming more eco-conscious, offering energy-saving options like low-flow showers, refillable toiletries, and even recycling bins in rooms can set your hotel apart. Green initiatives are not only good for the environment, but also show your guests that you care about the bigger picture. Here's a tip that can save you a lot of headaches. Perform regular maintenance checks on all your amenities. I know, it's not glamorous, but it's vital. Imagine this. A guest checks in, excited to see your well-advertised hot tub, only to find out it's out of order. That disappointment can quickly overshadow everything else you've done. A preventive maintenance schedule can keep everything running smoothly. Have your team routinely inspect fitness equipment. Check that all in-room devices are functioning and test Wi-Fi speeds. And don't forget the small stuff, like making sure your coffee machines are working. A simple malfunction can lead to bad reviews, and we all know how much weight those carry in today's world. Stay current. Technology and trends change fast. You can't afford to be left behind. Are your rooms still decked out in early 2000s decor? It's time for a refresh. Guests are increasingly drawn to modern, minimalistic designs with practical smart features. Even small changes like upgrading bedding, replacing carpets, or adding a sleek coffee maker can make a huge difference. Another thing to consider, and I've said this many times in the past, is to stay on top of guest feedback. What are your guests asking for? Do you notice a trend in requests for specific types of pillows or more vegan-friendly options at breakfast? Listening to your guests can help you adapt and stay relevant. Now, this might sound strange, but are you offering too many amenities? Offering too many amenities can backfire. Trying to please everyone can stretch out your resources. Focus on quality over quantity. It's better to have fewer, well-maintained amenities than a long list of offerings that don't function properly. Prioritize what your target audience values most. If you're a business hotel, state-of-the-art conference room will matter more than an elaborate spa. If you're a family-friendly resort, parents will appreciate kids' clubs and safe play areas. Always keep your market in mind when making decisions. Craving more ingenious tips to transform your hotel experience? Dive into our exclusive guide, Unlocking Hospitality Success, 25 Must-Know Insights for Independent Hotel Owners. Consider it your personal roadmap to thriving in the hospitality world. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity to revolutionize your establishment. Click the link in the show notes and start your journey to the top. What amenities do you feel are most important for your guests? Have you found a particular offering that gets rave reviews or one that doesn't seem worth the investment? Let me know in the comments. Amenities are more than just add-ons. They're a reflection of how much you value your guests. When they are up to date, functional, and well-maintained, your guests will take notice. Happy guests become repeat visitors. And that's the goal, isn't it? Keep your amenities relevant, reliable, and in line with what your guests truly want. So are you ready to make those upgrades? Start small. If you need to, but always keep moving forward. Your guests and your bottom line will thank you. In the next episode, I will be chatting with Bob Brown, aka the Dirt Whisperer, your foundation expert. Well, that's it for today's episode of Hotelier Helpcast. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and share with your friends. Keep those lobbies lively, the feedback flowing, and always, always remember, it's the little touches that make the big waves in hospitality. Checking out for now. Until next time, stay inspired.